Hello and welcome back to the Closing Bell on the 26th of September on the Monday. Oh, sorry, 26th of October on the Monday. Today I've got two special guests who will just be spectating the show and just to get me right on the show. Okay, today's news is the market turbulence is really bad. Covid-19 in Europe and lockdown is starting to be imminent, and now in the US there were predictive model that they might reach about 120 to 150,000 COVID cases per day. So with the COVID cases and lack of stimulus check and all the ripple effect coming, pushing a very negative sentiment and also forecasting of a potential bad quarter earnings is really dragging the markets down. As you can see, loads of market hypergrowth, the FANG stocks, the industrial Dow Jones index are all down. Even the German DAX were down 3.2% over the course of the day. So money cashing out. But think about it, money cashing out to bonds on the sidelines is about 2 trillion just now. And other investors such as Goldman Sachs are speaking about moving into currencies, moving the cash into currencies. So more retail sell-off. So all I can say is retail sellers today should be on the pain because there were loads of selling last week, heavy selling for the last 2 weeks, and this is the third week coming. So a lot of retail investors should be on the red. And all I can say, the winners out of this today will be people having cash. People with cash on their investment portfolio should be smiling today, grabbing a lot of discounts. Again, no one knows what's going to happen tomorrow. Do you guys know what's going to happen tomorrow?
Nope. No.
You're going to school tomorrow, sorry. They're going to school. So nobody knows what's happening tomorrow in the investment world, but we know that the low interest rates will be sitting for 2021 and 2022. So if you're invested today, it looks really turbulent, but the horizon looks really good by 2021 and 2022 for equity stocks, when the economic for not just US, not just Europe, not just Japan, not just China, but globally will start to stabilize out for a more consistent recovery. Second thing that I want to speak about is the one in the big news, which came out earlier this morning, is Ant Financial. Ant Financial is basically Alibaba / Jack Ma's special baby for the financial sector. Alipay, have you heard about it? And also Alipay has expanded, not just about Ant. Alipay has expanded insurances. They've covered more insurances in China than 5 times more insurances than the population of New York. And also for wealth management in the background. And they are currently the biggest fintech. After 35.5 billion raised, a total of 313 billion dollar cap is the biggest money ever raised in an IPO in the Hong Kong and Shanghai Stock Exchange. So if you want to own some of Ant, go buy Alibaba because they got 30% of Ant on the IPO day. In the UK, if you want to own Ant, go buy Scottish Mortgage Trust, SMT stocks, because they have bought a bit of, they were invited to participate in the early venture for Ant IPO. And lastly, before I end this video, I would like to say that I bought some stocks. I sold some stocks. So at the beginning, I sold lots of stocks. Not a lot, but I took profits. I took profits off the likes of Twilio. I took profits from Fiverr. I took profits from Artwork because of the volatility. And I started buying into Lemonade. I started buying into CrowdStrike. And I started my first position in PayPal, my first position in Square, and I added Tesla on top. I'll still be watching the rest, and I will see what else I can grab as a bargain. And for the next video, I'm waiting for news. Other earnings for today will be Twilio. And on the sideline, I might speak about Chegg and CRSP as well. But Twilio will be the main one because it's really important to know all these stay-at-home stocks will be influenced by the momentum of Twilio. If Twilio goes down, then you should see a very negative sentiment towards. So let's see what happens. Any question? Any question? Thank you very much, guys, to be on my show and sitting behind me, giving me confidence, correcting my date. Have a good day. Bye. Bye.